Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick overview of the Garmin Dezl 760 LMT coupled with forward-thinking systems. We're going to show you how the device works and also how to utilize it as an EOBR inside your vehicle. The first step in the setup of the Garmin Dezl 760 is powering on your vehicle. This will automatically power on the Garmin. Just going to give it a few seconds to load here. The Garmin will then prompt you to set up the truck profile. Click Agree. Alright, so we need a particular truck profile in order to use this device as an EOBR. So with the truck icon in the upper left hand corner, click Agree. It's going to automatically prompt you to set up your profile. Click Yes. Enter the current vehicle odometer. Click Next. Enter the gross weight of your vehicle in tons. Click Next. Enter the overall height of your vehicle in feet. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that the next screen is going to ask you for the height in inches. Now, this is just additional inches on top of the feet that you already put in. So the vehicle we're putting in is 13 feet 6 inches, so we're going to go ahead and do that here. Click Next. Enter the width of your vehicle in feet. Click Next. Click Next. Enter the overall length of your vehicle in feet. Our vehicle is 53 here, so we're going to put that in and click Next. Again, any additional inches on top of the feet you already put in. Here we're going to leave the audible alerts enabled to ensure that we get voice navigation when we're navigating to and from destinations. Click Next. Here we're going to give our truck profile a name. Typically we recommend that you put in the make of your vehicle that you're driving. So we're doing a Kenworth, so we're going to go ahead and put that in here. Once everything has been filled out, you can review your selections on this screen. If you've missed something, you can go ahead and click that section and edit it if necessary. You can also click the menu icon and rename your profile if you would like to. Now, this step is very important because as smart as the Garmin is, it doesn't necessarily know the height of the vehicle you're driving. So by putting in these dimensions, you're going to avoid things like coming up on an overpass that your vehicle is too tall to go under. So once you've reviewed your truck profile and you're satisfied with your entries, go ahead and click Done. Once we click Agree here, you're going to go ahead and be brought to the Garmin main screen. And that's the initial setup portion of the Garmin Dezl 760 LMT. Once you have your truck profile set up, you will now be able to use the Garmin Dezl 760 as an EOBR that is compliant with FMCSA 395.15. The first step is to log in with your driver ID and password that will be provided to you. To accomplish this, you will hit the apps icon, select hours of service. It will ask you if you would like to log in now. Select yes. And it will prompt you to enter in your credentials. One thing to keep in mind here is that your credentials are case sensitive, so please be mindful of that. The profile has now been authenticated, and the Garmin will download your driver profile that will consist of your logs and the rule set that you fall in. You will see the screen where you can change your duty status, view your log, your information, remaining hours summary, and other information. Now if we back out to the main screen, you will see in the top tile bar an HOS icon. If you select that, you can quickly change your duty status. To log out, you will go back to apps, select hours of service, select the driver, and then hit the 3-edit button and simply log out driver. The Garmin Dezl 760 gives you the ability to two-way message from the Garmin to the portal and vice versa. If you are moving, you will receive an icon in the upper right-hand corner and will be alerted audibly. You will not be able to view the message until you are stationary. When you receive a message to the Garmin and you are stationary, the message will pop up right on the screen. You will see the message, and this one states test, as this is a test message. You will then be able to hit the edit button, delete or reply. You can use the keyboard, or you can set up quick messages from the portal. Using the keyboard, type your response. Then hit yes to send your message. It has now been sent. You can also view old messages and send new ones from the home screen by going into Dispatch and then Messages. From there, you will have the option to compose a new message, send a quick message, view your inbox and your outbox. Receiving a dispatch to the Garmin Dezl 760 is very similar to receiving a message while moving. When a dispatch arrives, a flag icon will appear in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You will only be able to select the icon when you are stationary. You will select the stop, select the menu icon, and select Go. You will then effectively be routed to the dispatched location. One of the most unique features of the Garmin Dezl 760 is the ability to perform a voice command.
Say a command.
As I said voice command, you will see the screen prompted us to a number of different choices. Find address.
Speak an address in United States.
1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Northwest, Washington, D.C.
Did you say 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Northwest, Washington, District of Columbia?
Yes.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes. You are now on your way to the White House.